Interested in starting your own online business? Look no further than the Amazon Marketplace. Whether you're looking for a new side hustle or you're ready to become your own boss full-time, Amazon is built for third-party sellers to thrive. No business experience required. Third-party sellers are people who decide to find a profitable product in demand, have it produced by a supplier, and list it for sale in the Amazon Marketplace. The best part? As a new seller on Amazon, you can get things going with as little as $2,000. There are two paths to start selling on Amazon for beginners. One, FBM, or Fulfilled by Merchant, describes the process in which the seller handles storage, shipping, and returns for all product orders. In other words, it is up to you to get the product to the customer. Two, FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, makes things a lot easier. Once you arrange for the production of your product at a factory, your supplier sends your inventory shipments to an Amazon fulfillment center to store, pack, and ship them to your customers on your behalf. You might be wondering, do I need to actually make my own product from scratch? Fortunately, no. In fact, chances are your product idea already exists on Amazon right now. It is up to you to find ways to improve, reinvent, and market your product to the masses. Don't know how to find your first product? That's where Helium 10 comes in, giving you the product research tools you need to discover that winning idea. Keep in mind that every business is unique. Success varies depending on product category, seasonality, manufacturing costs, and a laundry list of additional factors.